The E1F1 error code on a Whirlpool dryer indicates a problem with the control unit. This issue can be caused by loose connections or a faulty control board. To resolve the error, resetting the control board is a potential solution. This can be done by pressing and holding the start button for a few seconds, which will reset the dryer automatically. Alternatively, a hard reset can be performed by unplugging the dryer, optionally turning off the circuit breaker, waiting 10 minutes, and then plugging it back in to check if the error persists. Another step is to inspect the control board's connections, which requires taking photos of the wiring configurations for reference during reassembly. To do this, unplug the dryer, remove the top panel, and check the wires connected to the control panel. If the wires appear to be in working order, proceed to disconnect them, followed by checking and disconnecting the drumlight wires. The control panel should then be unscrewed, lifted, and tilted away from the chassis, allowing for an inspection of the wiring harness connectors for any damage. The control board's backplate should also be unscrewed and the circuit board inspected for damage, replacing it if necessary. Once these steps have been completed, reassemble the control board and test the dryer to see if the issue has been resolved.